My name is Mairead Hurley and I work with Childminding Ireland. I'm going to talk you through how to register with Revenue and how to calculate your income tax liability using the Childminding Ireland income tax calculator.
Top tips for keeping your record simple. Have a separate bank account. You can lodge your weekly income and pay your childminding costs through this account, making it very easy to keep track. Keep all receipts in one place. Keep them sorted by date. This will help entering into the calculator. Have a separate basket in your trolley for childminding items. Income tax can be paid to Revenue by direct debit.
As a self-employed childminder, no matter how much or little you earn, you must register with Revenue, make an annual tax return, and pay any tax due.
How to register with Revenue. Go to revenue.ie, find where to register as a sole trader, click on the link and follow the prompts.
So how do you work out your income tax? We have developed a childminding tax calculator, which I will refer to as the calculator for the purposes of this video.
This is the home page of the calculator, and here are the list of contents. Childcare Services Tax Relief is available to eligible childminders. You may avail of the childminding tax relief if the gross fees you earn from childminding in your home are under $15,000 per year, you are minding no more than 3 children, not necessarily preschool children, at any one time, you have informed your local city or county childcare committee, CCC, of your childminding services, and you are registered with Revenue as a sole trader. For further information, just check out the Childminders Tax Relief tab on the calculator.
So how do you use the calculator?
We would recommend updating your income sheet on a weekly basis. Pick a day a week, probably the day you get paid is best. Enter each child's name, hours attended, and at what rate. These worksheets will calculate your monthly income automatically. Now on to the expenses sheet. Again, enter these on a weekly basis. If you are earning more than $15,000 a year, you will be liable to pay income tax. The Universal Social Charge, or USC, also applies to earnings in this category. One of the questions that childminders regularly ask is, how much of my expenses can I claim? The simplest answer is, you can claim expenses that are fair and proportionate and that are incurred wholly, exclusively and necessarily for your childminding business. The tax calculation sheet will be automatically populated from the previous worksheets. For example, if you earned $21,000 in 2017 and your deductible costs were $5,000, your net profit would be $16,000. Your PRSI is calculated as 4% of your net profit, therefore 4% of $16,000 is equal to €640.
Thanks for listening. I hope it was helpful. And remember, if you have any questions on this or any childminding related issues, you can contact us at support@childminding.ie, by phone on 01 2878 466 or visit our website childminding.ie.